Click on the link below to get price. The DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo is an impressive drone that seamlessly blends advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it an ideal choice for both amateur and seasoned drone enthusiasts. The sleek design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also remarkably portable, allowing users to easily pack it for travel or outdoor adventures. One of the standout features of the Mavic Air 2 is its exceptional camera capabilities. The 48MP sensor captures stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring that every shot is crisp and vibrant. The HDR capabilities enhance dynamic range, making it easier to capture high-quality images in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, the drone supports a variety of intelligent shooting modes, including SmartPhoto, which combines HDR, scene recognition, and AI to optimize photos automatically. Flight performance is another highlight. With a maximum flight time of up to 34 minutes, the Mavic Air 2 outlasts many competitors, giving users ample time to capture their desired footage. The OcuSync 2.0 transmission technology allows for stable and clear video feed up to 10 kilometers away, which is particularly beneficial for those who want to explore further afield. Safety features like obstacle avoidance sensors and advanced pilot assistance systems, APS 3.0, enhance the flying experience by making it easier to navigate around obstacles. These features provide an additional layer of confidence for beginners, reducing the anxiety often associated with flying drones. The Fly More Combo package is a worthwhile investment, as it includes 2 extra batteries, a charging hub, and various accessories that enhance the overall experience. This ensures longer flight times and the ability to capture more footage without the need to constantly recharge. Overall, the DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo is a top-tier drone that excels in performance, portability, and image quality. Whether you're a hobbyist capturing family moments or a professional filmmaker seeking high-quality aerial shots, this drone will undoubtedly meet and exceed your expectations.